Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us. I'm Wendy Ryan.
And I'm Jamison Euler. Florida's poison control officials say the number of people who have gotten sick from this bad batch of spice has risen to over 40. And sadly, 2 of those people have died.
All new tonight, a doctor at Advent Health says the hospitalizations are happening because the drug was mixed with rat poison. ABC Action News reporter Rochelle Aline spoke with that doctor and one of those spice patients, and they're both begging people to stop using that drug.
Here at Advent Health, they treated 13 of those folks, including one person that died.
Blood transfusion, plasma transfusion, and vitamin K.
A Hillsborough County woman says doctors have been using all of those methods to save her life after she smoked spice.
I decided to go buy some spice because I couldn't afford my medical marijuana this month.
We're not showing her face or using her name for her safety, but she says she was able to track down the synthetic marijuana pretty easily in Ybor City, though she never expected her body to react the way it did.
The following day, I woke up with my mouth full of blood.
That bleeding eventually spread to her urine and stool.
Somebody has spiked some supply of it with a super warfarin, which is something that is used as a rodent killer. It thins the blood.
Yep, you heard him right. Doctors say the batch that woman and at least 40 others smoked was cut with rat poison, and it's led to bleeding that's difficult to stop.
I thought I'm certainly going to die.
And sadly, according to the Florida Poison Information Center, so far 2 people have died.
And I'm so thankful to God that I wasn't one of them.
Dr. Jeremy Kurtz of Advent Health says recovery for these patients could take months.
This particular compound, this super warfarin, lasts for so long that even if we get it fixed today, your blood might be thinned back out tomorrow, so you need medications over and over again.
It's a reality that has this patient making a plea from her hospital bed.
If you're already smoking it, stop smoking it right now.
And sending a message to the person selling this batch.
What can I say to that person? Go to hell.
Doctors also say if you recently smoked spice and you might have smoked some from that batch and you're noticing certain symptoms, you should come to the hospital immediately. They say if you have a headache, stomach pain, or bleeding, see a doctor. In Tampa, Rochelle Aline, ABC Action News.